Okay, so your second culminating task certainly provides you with a few options, everything from exploring hosting the Olympics to the concept of protectionism, basically the ugly side of tourism, and what do you need to do to make sure that tourism is sustainable and it's always available for future generations. And that leads into the last topic as well, the good, the bad, and the ugly, exploring the impact of tourism, maybe on the local people and the local culture. Again, there's a reason why you want to visit that area. It's a very unique area, and you want to ensure that that continues, and again, that it's available there for future generations. What I do heavily encourage you to do, as whatever topic you choose, make sure you're going through each of these steps and covering, basically use these as headings to ensure that you are providing all of the necessary information for your chosen topic. Okay? At the end of each topic, they also give you a criteria that I'll be looking at. Use this as a checklist and go through. But again, if you want to ensure that you're meeting all of these criteria, go through those headings that are given here and make sure you're addressing each of them as you go through. If you want to be really smart about it, you could even do so in order so that it acts as a checklist in itself, and you can ensure that you've met all the expectations of these assignments. Okay, so again, for the next one, protectionism, looking at the following steps, going through these. You could use these as headings if whatever you choose to do, a paper, a slideshow, a Prezi, you could use these as headings. And again, you've got a checklist at the end of that as well. Don't try to go and reuse. Maybe you've got a topic that you're very familiar with, you've already got some information on. Again, these have very specific criteria that I'll be looking at and acting as a checklist that I'll be going through. And sometimes if you recycle something old that you've done, it doesn't meet the criteria and the expectations of this particular assignment. So I highly encourage you not to do that and to choose your topic and work on it. Perhaps you do have some background knowledge, but don't try to recycle anything that you used before. Okay? So again, you're given also some choices to make on what you're going to use to present this information, whether it be a paper, a Prezi, you could do a video, a narrated presentation. Google Slides gives the option of talking to the slides as well as you go through, not simply reading off them, but sometimes the slide could simply provide an outline that you speak to and give some more detailed information about. Okay, there's also Google Maps and certainly a wide variety of choices. The only thing that's asked is perhaps that you run it by me before simply submitting it. Okay, so if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact me.